Cledd-Y-Tan CL Site review.
Woohoo! We're going over a bridge, which must mean we're going on our holidays.
Follow the sat-nav to Chepstow Racecourse and take the first left at the roundabout. Pass through the village of Itton.
Take note of this sign. Do not follow the sat-nav down this road. Look what happened to our neighbour who followed the sat-nav.
Ignore the sat-nav here as well. Turn left at the red brick building, as directed by sat-nav.
Kilgarug is a rural parish in Monmouthshire, South East Wales. It is located 7 miles northwest of Chepstow and 7 miles southeast of Usk, in a network of country lanes running through the rolling hills below the Trellick Ridge.
This is the entrance to Cledd-Y-Tan Farm. We have reached our destination. Right, let's have a quick tour of the facilities. It's not a great deal of facilities to worry about, so the tour is going to be quite quick. We encourage not to feed the horses, of which there are plenty around here. Also advised to keep dogs and children on a lead. And here is the drinking water with the COVID-19 precaution, which is a bottle of hand sanitizer tie wrapped to the post. The recycling area gives us the directions for how it is in this part of Wales. The red bag, the purple bag, the separate glass and non-recyclables. The toilet emptying point, with a notice that this is not for drinking. So this is what the site looks like from the road. A hedgerow on a farm. You would kind of have to know it was here, but you can't see anything of it. It's a very secluded and private site. On your typical arrival, this is what you need to look for. The sign that says CL Site, the Caravan and Motorhome Club logo, and a notice about CCTV surveillance being in operation, which is always good to know. There we go. I'm guessing this is a naughty horse. It appears to be in some kind of a jail. Not quite sure what's going on there.
Just look at these stunning views. Priceless.
Hello and welcome to Cledd-Y-Tan CL Site, which is located in South Wales. We'd like to do a quick roundup of our trip so far, and we'll give you our thoughts on the site.
So if you're looking for somewhere that's no frills, has got a water tap, a disposal point and some bins, you're left alone, 5 other caravans, and that's it, and you have stunning views as you see behind us, then this is the place for you.
If, however, you are looking for a site with hundreds of pictures, with lots of rules, regulations, full service, procedures, key cards, pin codes, site barriers, and everything like that, this is definitely not the site for you.
It's definitely very basic, very rustic. It's £14 a night. Doesn't matter whether you have an awning or you don't have an awning. You can have 2 friends visit you, you can have 5 friends visit you. It's just chilled, laid back, and you're left to your own devices. The one thing that I would say about this site is please remember to bring, if you're in a motorhome, your levelling ramps. This is not one of the flattest sites that we've ever stayed at. They do provide some big blocks of wood here for you to level your caravan out, but I would bring your own stuff as well just in case you need it. This is what you can hear on site. Gentle rustling of leaves and the soft chatter from a caravan a couple of pitches down from us that have got some guests.
And the gigantic fire precaution label on the sun canopy.
Flapping in the breeze. Don't think I've ever been to a site so quiet.
During our recent trip to Crealy Meadows, we saw a fellow caravanner with a Kampa Sunshine Airpro 500 inflatable awning, so we thought we'd fancy one of those things and give it a go. Especially useful on a trip of a couple of days where you don't feel the need to put up a full awning. All the bits and pieces are wrapped up very neatly. Here's the air pump in its own bag. It's quite a nice pump. It's got its own pressure gauge. The kit comes with 6 plastic pegs, exactly how many you will need to set up this awning on a grass pitch. Out with the awning rail protector. It's easy to take it out, but when you try and put this thing back in, it's like playing snooker with a piece of wet spaghetti. The awning installs into the awning rail very easily. It was up in a matter of minutes. It's now time to put some air in the awning, but if you're going to try this at home, it's easier to use the inlet valve rather than the outlet valve, which I'm demonstrating. A few pumps on the pump handle and we have sufficient air pressure for the awning to erect itself. It was a very windy day at Cledd-Y-Tan Farm. Here it goes. Hammer in the pegs and attach the ropes. And there you have it, the Kampa Airpro Sunshine Airpro 500 inflatable awning successfully inflated and installed.
Never backing down, baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 27, baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you're dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. What can I say? I need more than desire, more than just a pretty face. So girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Only one love up beside of the fire. Someone who can handle me. Someone cut your heart too deep. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. What can I do? Gotta keep every heart safe, so we make it out alive. I don't wanna waste no time. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Try to play nice so I won't give you heartache. Trust me, baby, when I say, girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite to dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars. Baby, I'm a tiger, 20 steps ahead. Baby, I'm a rifle, one bite you dead. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, all you gonna get is battle scars.
If you like what you saw in this video, why not check out the other videos here?